Hey bubbles, how you all doing? I hope everybody is doing fine. I hope everybody is staying safe as well. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos. I got this hair from Royalty Raw Hair. So Royalty Raw Hair is thick and lightweight, easy to tame with proper hair maintenance guaranteed and quality over quantity. And so as you can see, it's three bundles. And these bundles are really full. You can see they are so full, and immediately I could feel the hair is very soft. And I ordered 3 bundles, of course, and the hair is curly, raw Indian curly, and the length is 18 inches. 18 inches, very soft. So ladies, she will always tell you to treat your hair like a royalty you are. This hair is 100% unprocessed human hair with cuticles running in the same direction. That is a plus. That is so true. Simply a masterpiece. The raw Indian hair is lightweight with big ringlets. Yep. Luxury at its best, thick from root to tip with naturally tapered ends as natural hair grows. Same like what I'm seeing right now. That is so true. You can see running your hand through this hair is everything. So light, so airy, so soft, so soft. I love it so much. No tangling, no shedding. So I'm going to dye this hair. I'm going to rinse it or dye it. Yeah, this hair is very beautiful. It's very beautiful. It's very soft. Oh dear Lord. So go check her out. Go check her out. So first of all, let's talk about what raw hair is. It's simply defined as hair that has never or not been altered by chemical or steam process in any way. With raw hair being completely unprocessed and chemical free, raw hair is the most natural, pure and 100% authentic hair on the market today. So if you are looking for a very good raw hair that will last you for ages, I'll suggest you look into the raw hair than processed hair or Chinese hair. It's always processed and with chemicals and all that shit. So yeah, this hair is the best. Go for raw hair. Raw is the best. It acts just like your hair. It's movable. It's very airy, very soft. You can do anything, pretty much anything that you want with this hair. And this is very coarse, very fluffy, very lightweight, and yeah, it's flowy. There's no tangling or any shedding of that sort. Of course, every hair shed, my hair shed, every hair shed. You get 1 or 2 strands, but it's not bad to get 1 or 2 strands when you're combing your hair and other this hair, So when you first get your raw hair, what you have to do is first you have to check your wefts, how they are being sewn, and check for tangling, check for shedding. This hair is beautiful. It's so beautiful. The cuticles are intact. The wefts are so beautiful, very light, thin, sewn. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It's perfection. It's nice. Everything. I love everything about this hair. Most importantly, it's tangled free. That's what I love about my raw hair. Nobody likes their hair to tangle. This is just black enough to fix it. I can just go ahead and fix this hair, but you know me, I love my hair really black. So I'm going to dye this hair. Yes, I'm going to dye this hair. I'm going to make a little video of how I dye this hair. I have a lot to do before I fix this beautiful, sexy boy here. So yeah, and again, I want to talk about this. Since raw hair hasn't been chemically altered or steam processed, raw hair primarily comes in straight hair, natural wave, and in curly. This is only the 3 textures that I know: straight, wavy, or curly. There's no such thing as deep wave or kinky curly body waves and tight curls and all that. That is processed hair. So yeah, raw hair is slightly more expensive than any other hair. The investment, the maintenance is worth it, and it can last up to many years with proper care. It's raw hair, purely raw hair. This means that the hair is ethically sourced from Indian from a single donor, sewn, and ship it to you. Yeah, this is how raw hair looks. It's raw, purely raw, meaning cuticle aligned, unaltered, and free from any chemical processing. I cannot stress this enough. Like, you really have to touch this hair, feel it by yourself before I think you understand what I'm talking about, because the hair is so soft, real, raw, and very beautiful. Go and check her out. I mean, she got some high quality raw hair out there. She is so nice. She will always reply you when you email her. So again, no two bundles will ever look the same. As you can see, one is much more darker than the other, and also the right one, is it the left one? Yeah, the left one is more clear than the middle one.